peeps. With DJ Mark anniversary, but as you can see rain and fall. DJ Mark alone come so far, you know. And the rest of sound them not reach it. Yeah. Yeah man. This is how we are putting in the work, see man. But anyway, earlier on up in the season, you see some people that say they're willing to sponsor the thing. Yeah. So watch you now. Any man who wants to sponsor a thing, wants to sponsor gas towards the next traveling, you can just link you up on the social media, man. Link up the number them where you see. Link you up on WhatsApp. And for the people who have an iPhone, you can send an iMessage. Yeah man. Yeah. And we need one tripod. And them 3-foot tripod there. So any man who watch your thing have one tripod through down them yard. Yeah, one of them tall tripod, because we can put on the camera and then, you know, we don't have to hold the camera on the whole night. So, anybody who want to put towards the next traveling, because we want gas to travel, as I say. So, anybody who want to sponsor the thing, yeah, whether you don't want to get to no big up or you don't want to do it anonymously, you just link up the WhatsApp number we see on the screen. Or just send an iMessage to the man that have iPhone and them things there. Yeah man. Yeah, cause they are putting in the work, so we want some help to continue. Yeah man. So as I said before, link up the WhatsApp number that we see on the screen. Or send an iMessage. With our DJ Mark, and we have about 3 different dances we're going idea about. We don't know how we are going to do it, but we're going to try and make it work. Yeah. See it? Venue just get set up. Yeah. And we are left fire, so we are going to town. And then we have a St. Mary run to make, so we don't know how we are going to do that. As I say, peeps. Anybody who wants to sponsor, I think, just link up with WhatsApp. Yeah man. Gas, we need gas. And we want a tripod. One of them 3-leg tripod thing there. Yeah, that we can put on the camera at night time and just, yeah, we don't have to hold the camera in our hand. Yeah man, so anybody who wants to sponsor, I think, if you do the next traveling, yeah, can link with up here. Yeah man, can link with on the WhatsApp or link up on the iMessage. The man who have iPhone. Yeah man. I can send an email too. Yeah man. So DJ Mark anniversary. Just a get set up. Please just a cloth up. See it there? Everything alright. Yeah.
Vandal,
yeah.
this telling you,
Huh?
you can never work with Pioneer this way. You're going to kiss money.
What's the way, man? What's the way? Come on.
Then, yes, sir, wait a second.
Wait a minute.
Yes, you can work with Pioneer, sir.
Where
Oh.
Somebody.
I don't know. Better you have to be the man, bro. Better you have to be the man.
What?
Alright.
You come do it then,
Yeah?
I found that.
I tell you, no big party I'm going to see them. I don't go to the man.
Take a man knife.
I bet you don't know. I'll tell you.
Wow, now for what? Eh? Easy or crazy? Huh? Yeah. See, Simple Star Rental. Feed them all of them thing here. Yeah man. So we there now people. So we there put in the work same way as I say. The people some I tell us if we continue put in the work, we there do it, you know. Yeah. So, anybody who want to sponsor, I think, if you do the next traveling, yeah, can link with up here. Yeah man. So, anybody who want to sponsor, I think, if you do the next traveling, yeah, can link with on the WhatsApp or link up on the iMessage. The man who have iPhone. Yeah man. Yeah. See it? Venue just get set up. I'm going to swing up. I'm going to put up 3.5. None of the rest of sound them no comment. Yeah? Natural vibes and reach it, intercept and reach it. Jamaica love and reach it. Alright, interceptor just reach people. Them just reach. Renegade them just reach. So you go, man, you have to come back to your yard, man. Yeah, man, interceptor there people. New interceptor. New people. Yep. Natural vibes, just sweet. Natural vibes. Yo, watch out now, say, you know, because this will catch up, you know, anything
What
you
are
want
you
to
saying?
say. Anything you want to say, this sketchy, you know.
Eh?
Anything you want to say, so nobody chat nobody.
Yo, rewind the back and start the back over there. If you start, where do you start at? That means they catch.
No, sir, you just start. That's why I tell you.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. Be Aryan people.
Oh, the party to go on.
Yeah, party, I'll go on, man. I know, say, God bless the thing first.
How did you come back to me?
Mm-hmm. You have to switch around to go up and down there.
Yes, I want to be funny back. Remember I could be inside snow.
Natural vibes.
Go on, woman.
Go on.
Natural vibes.
Movement.
Natural vibes. Natural vibes. Interceptor. DJ Mark.
My movement give them a see that good casket. Another song winding the bookie. Them come and dance and that one like them on. My movement just comes to them a fraud. My movement give them a see that good casket. Another thing pancake the bookie. Them come and dance and that one like them on. My movement comes to them a fraud. Back movements play them so hard. This a murder in a dance so loud. He wants something from some boy and band. They can take it at all. The place of flying, just like a guillotine. Some bands are wandering, then it comes the amore. Say I climb in the mountain and swing the deepest sea, searching for my someone, my movement sound to play for me. How is it taking so long for sign to back and go on? When we lay there, it is my movements and labor. My movements asking them on when we get stable. We never lose, cause it's the right place we go. And get some more confused. And rub the soul till I down. My movement is a soul killer. Killing some jump and all over. And we don't see no soul in failure. That's how we are one day again. Hey, my movement's on that soul killer. Killing some jump and all over. And we don't see no soul in failure. That's how we are one day again. Oh gosh, so I got a boat. They have done the place. They forget that DJ Mark him set the place. Mark the place, so I have no time to waste no go. So I got a boat. Then we bust them down in a boat. Then we make them run. But I ain't and spoke the old so who makes the show go for my movement so not so killer. Killing some jump and down over. And we don't see no so we break it up. That's how we are one day again. Question I ask, how can you be so ungrateful after all? My movement stay for you. How can you be so unruly knowing me? Knows that God wants you. Music's tough and the upper king of kings of the second fullness.
Yeah, man, them have a shelf. It have a board up. Yeah, but I tell him I will tell him. So it's a
Everything alright. You know, it's about checking stuff, testing, you know. Make sure everything works, make sure everything plug in, make sure it's good. So that's say I know. What? Yeah. You know, they come up crazy giveaway. You understand? Everything alright. What money else? Yo. Big up all fire enough on the ground from early. So that's say I know. Yeah. You big up yourself, you know, because you know from night to work. See it? What's up, Professor? Yeah, go set it up, make it work. You know what you think right now? You come on nicely, so that's it. Yeah. Punch up. You know the code. Everything alright, man. So that's it. So, Professor. Early so you go and squeeze some plate with the place nice. You don't know the Almighty do feel part already. You understand? So we're going to take care of the rest. You get me? Big up all TV station in the house. From early, Zaza Frosty night place. You know, Sound Life podcast there. So you know it's a good look. You understand? Yeah. So that's there. Big up a lady, how that? Big up my friend them from London in another place. Yeah, she say I made the bad one. No worry, you're wrong. Lady in the family now. Yeah. So, Professor, Doctor.
Hey, chatty, Monta Massive, mix up. Why you don't leave my movement's business? Now this is my son in burger, let the sun play and jump on some boy easily. My movements, it's gone. My movements kill some tonight. Some boy,
you know, I'm singing this around and bush road, so. Let's go, Robin Burger.
My movement dogs them ready. So we kill some surely. My moments we are kill someone for free. I bet we them a try for this. Hey, cause how you must lick your cheek. When my play on the stuff you panic. Is this real or is it a me? Someone must be going crazy. Never left them out of their mind. Cause this cash you be losing it. Monkeys only if you son and out of time. Some boy are dead tonight. They're getting buried. A long time we know them jump and sound there. Fury. Some boy run away. DJ Marka kill you slowly. Yes, Marka kill you. DJ Marka kill you. Say life still to my meat. Just like a melody with the real. That's how with the place them stick. Like a glove with a brown feet. We just murder for every time. Don't find someone lose their mind. And if this guy they be losing it. Monkeys ruling it, them so don't know the time. So boy are dead tonight. That's the thing.
Because I know my movement sound, the rough and sound right now in town. Sound boy, don't you try to test. If you try to test, you're gonna get knocked down. Oh, you know my movement sound is a real bad sound. No sound can show me that. We have done this. That's the way I done. The movements in my truck began. Keep the song trying to test me. Even if it's down. Come at the slowing down. Cause they see me, and then they know me. I can't want me. Come take a take. We try to test me and the freaking day. I want me to hold my moving sound. No fucking kidding. My movement is the best. We have done this. That's all we have done. I have to move it to my drum beyond. It's a song right there. Forever, my place for you. Forever, we will kill you. Forever, we'll always be a brother. My movement's so fair. We can never stop. Whenever we play them down, they sound so good. And I hate the massive love. You never have to look around. You never need a song. I'm gonna make a song. Where I come from song. You never gonna get this sound.
Yo, DJ, not movement. Somebody better move the movement, so move out. DJ, not movement. Move it on, move it on.
I was a drop it like a bomb on them, man. Tell them so the boy is different from the man on the DJ, man. A long time you accept it. I was a foundation, Anthony Cool representing for our nation. So the thing set up, drop it for them, man. DJ, man, can you ready? The very first time we hear DJ on play, they said you sound so fine. And I told them to jump on someone, yeah, DJ Maka like it all the time. And then in some they try to test me, surely gonna die tonight. And in some they try to listen DJ Maka, I gotta lose them alive. DJ Maka will kill it in someone anyway. Don't test me, DJ Monster.
Somebody needs to pray. Someone's playing hide and seek. Run, come, face the feet. Someone about that try tonight. Mark movement, and you got the people for position, yes, no. Sound like Mark movement, sound that I know. Can it make that to the rhythm of this, no? Sound like a Mark movement, sound that I know. Mark the people that love your style. For when you play some wicked and wild, those young some can't test tonight. That's them that I have what a different proposition, there's no. Sound like a Mark movement that I know. Can't make it dance so the rhythm of this, no. Sound like a Mark movement that I know. My movement's a serious sound. Getting all over town. My movement's a serious sound. Getting all over town. And I'm here name, I tell me so. Me roll up on the movements and me now go let go. Idiot sound boy, me and you know. No matter come and wrap up with the movements and me no matter one thing, I'm gonna two things and me then three. Say, as a cat I run me say, I know them on the movements and scientifically. And when me come and I say, yeah, my movements and serious sound. Getting all over town. My movements and serious sound. Getting all over town. Got to tell you, my movements will kill you. Ever since the day you came to the dance, we could jump on. I am surely gonna miss you. That's when my movements in blue. We are about to like to make this like a monster. From the other side, you like to go. Must be gone, be gone, be gone, be gone, be gone. DJ Marco, let me like to go. Go say Uzi, and me go say Black Fire, that's me. Don't shut up all like rain. And me go say AK when you rock back, that's British. Don't shut up all like rain. Me go say oh my AK. Me go say oh my AK. DJ Max Flash Marrow like a Calayo. Hear me out then, big guns, everyone big guns. DJ Max in the house to burn the
It's a movement in jewels and valley. Answer about the young girls darling. No gunshot from a Love me fire, run me border with this one. With the message and the message from me set me down the road. Destination is desire, so me must follow the code. Nothing can stop me now, not even bad code. I'm selected and elected, up on the unseen code. He that know what would stop it, who I see it and code. Don't get that in me box like a bone, overload ready to kill. The wolf them in the sheep clothes and lock them off. He get down where we kill them all. Now you can get out. Enough for British, watch out. We no want no protest to come in. All this representing me to come over and that thing. British, watch out, we see it on the arena. Hey, we place a queen of one stone. Roll and the one steal up. Charlie's blazing, food and spice I got the love. Hey, DJ Mark no one jump on a yard of love. Charlie's blazing, food and spice I got the love. And everything else I got the love. DJ Mark, the Charlie's blazing, food and spice I got the love. Hey, Sweet from the one jump and a yard of love. Charlie's blazing, food and spice I got the love. And everything else I got the love. Hey, not British, yeah, one even herbs. On the boat outside and on a road in Charlie's them got a split from outside. But not, we never jump up on the good side if I know we cool. We got something here on this foot side. We got the tanker in the yonder by my gate side. Hey bird, we no jump up on the west side. Rise we come from the west side. And get them shot in against the side. Yeah, we feel better. And we no talk if we not with it. That's the fast street. 50 caliber they cover with the shot.
Yes, tell them. So go to woman where we hypocrite. Yeah. You know, the man, bring the voice and know say I go that way, but I'm gonna say interceptor so. Yes, and the body slow. Even the Nick, yo, Chris Royal, Fresh, Kevin I, even the Father Crowley, One Striker. You know the thing going on, you wanna justice zone, you wanna try, yo. Interceptor so. You know the thing man, you want man and not take long, no. Yeah, tell them. So go to the man where we hypocrite. Interceptor sound. I ain't a chillin' can't train with them hypocrite. Father Crabby, no one see me win, you can't see me fail. Interceptor now go in a jail. Move away with the hypocrite. Hey, Interceptor, well alright then. You know that. Keep them way out from the game. Interceptor, kill the sound. Alright. Sound and run them start like when them hear Interceptor name. Hey, Interceptor kill sound from a long time. I don't think we play. You think I look up in the time we kill sound, we kill up some band. Yeah, I'm here to tell you jump and sound was it. We are a bad man. What is for me? Say for me. Sound can't make what is for me. Say for me. Hey, we are guns like the army. Interceptor, we have dogs like the army. And listen this, and the sound try this interceptor. Them sound more than amplified. You should not never try this, the champion. Cause we come from it up them time. Oh, you can try this interceptor. You never find that so good. Oh, you can try it as the champion. When you sound it no good. What is from? Say for me. Kill sound more than time. From we were little child. Boy blood and run like river Nile. Yes. Some sound boy now no job. Some no don't play them no harm. Interceptor turn them like a crab. Yes.
get interceptor, but no reputation. No one can know where you get. Nobody up. Alright then, interceptor, we not frightened of nobody. We respect everybody, and we better than everybody. Interceptor, we do anybody. You can't be boy no better than. That's how no better than we. Everybody we can and say, we gon' never get time back. Interceptor, no in a back and long talking we kill something, kill something, we are kill something, and no back and long talking. No, just do something, do something, do something, do something, and no back and let's say and someone. I'm just saying what we don't have none. It's my thing, and it's anything we are launching from. With the hand, the one we can work. With the push your mouth from. Hey, someone, listen. Me say, you did it for your business, yes, and for your safety, that's it. Don't go for long. You did it for your business, yes, and the level of the bar. Look at it, yes, yes. When I know that it is heavy, hey, I used to get some Jamaican, baby, say, I went to the music, get a belly roll. I say, we like a Jamaican, baby, say, and before we go dance, we are going to let them be friends, baby, say, you think they're going to intercept, I'm going to go and bring the baby, say, you did it for your business, and I intercept them on the mountain. Number one, no competition, number one in the nation.
Interceptor! I want some boy if you don't say what I the ground gladiator. Talk to them fool. I reach out to them boy with a sharkfish. Carry a fish. Say it, I'm a heavy. I'm a fucking snow. Some boy I want it. Yo, I want to get a camera. Better go on. I will get set up. Interceptor, I pull into their ear. They don't come in here. But man, so no boy, you know you get dark red. Straight on the high glass and come to show clear. If you come on the ear, you see.
Intercept.
will fly. Never be interceptor. That's why I fly. Say I'm proud, say I'm proud. Now think you
Intercept the blaze now. Kitchens, oh, don't take it against my.
Lord of mercy, intercept the control the body. Give me the 16 Lord of the garden. Intercept the them. You know we show it up like that, we no afraid of the sound. And in the sound, we get up at the damn berry. Oh yeah, sound over there, so we did you boom. Intercept the garden, boom boom. Lord, intercept the power, show me come. I intercept the power, what the show me come. Lord, for all who God said them gone already. Intercept the day and we sit up steady. Now we the ground because them nobody like we. Now we get pulled up to the song, try to intercept the song. Grab it, squiggly, just don't you learning. Set that room, this is how God moves in bars and true. Lord of mercy, intercept the control the body. Give me the 16 Lord of the body. Intercept the day, you know we show it up like that. And in this sound, we come up with some very powerful sound over the sound with the boom boom. Intercept the game to boom boom. Lord, intercept the power show will come. I intercept the power what the show will come. Lord, for all who God said them gone already. Intercept the day and we sit up steady. And we the ground because them nobody like we. I don't want we put them in a cemetery. Lord, the boss come up in a one lamp of brown. Don't pass it down and go through those. Never be intercept and let it close. It's a true intercept the sun. Yeah. We're down the track. Interception is here, yeah. Come to murder some from the mountain. Come to feel the pain, yeah. Walk above the way, don't be no there's no. There's the interceptor, we murder you sound. And let me tell you, drum and sound around them all. Run them all the town. And interceptor be a major life. Oh yeah. Hell from the house and this clash of the night. I don't know much about history. I don't know much biology. I don't know much about science. I don't know much about which I do. But interceptor can murder you. I murder you when you hold that. Wanna meet you sound is easy. Because I know interceptor. Look at me sound, I know in town. Sound boy, don't you try to test. Me try to test, you wanna get knocked down. I wanna know, intercept your sound. Is it real my song? No sound can show me, intercept your sound. Sometimes I wonder, why some sound boy don't try. One test interceptor, and then go down and then try that them die. Here comes another, but the traffic is easy. I can kill them so easy.
Sound boy, won't you go home to your nana, go home to your nana, you can't just intercept them. Not too young to play the sound. Sound boy, won't you go home to your nana.
Intercept, no one to them, post it.
Oh yeah, oh, let your vibe sound, yeah. Oh yeah, let your vibe sound. That's your vibe, knows how to baby more of a doggy. Just the way he wants it to. Cause he's ready, oh yeah. Heal yourself, heal yourself, heal yourself right now. Everybody knows how he's ready for your crazy. Just the way he wants it to. We are gonna hear you, oh yeah. You take your good time and natural life. Don't try to, yeah. If you think you can adjust me now, oh Lord, you wait until tonight. Someone, yeah. And if you think you can play me now, got your right to wait until tonight. Someone, yeah. Listen, you're all the rumors that try to break me. But tonight you get with me, you say you come to challenge the champion naturally. But tonight you're gonna get kicked down. Once a champion, always a champion. Naturally, once a champion, always someone will be a fool. If you suggest a champion sound, and the massive just want to listen to my song. Someone will be your dog. What's your name? What's your name? That's a whole lot of fun. Learn me your best. But you do it every time. It's so time. Every time. The first thing early dance all night. Natural fight that backs on his own boy. We got no coaster back. Natural fight's looking for a way. He's looking for a way to make no change but dominate. Just need a thing now the sound. Natural fight is running in my town. Cause it's the only thing gonna free someone way. Top boy, but there's a time when we could all kill some sound. Boy, Rico, hold on, let go. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Cause natural magic gonna kill some sound, you know. Let go. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Jumping somewhere gonna let it flow.
I did not jump back song with easy contrast, Rico, Little Two Fat Bar and Alvas.
As the music flies down to my soul, it brought blessings to my mind. Yes, I rise and say I must testify and go and speak the word. Natural vibes was made to serve Jah.
We have been together.
Natural vibe, watching a Rico, watching a front more. Come on, bro, let's go. I don't know, so this is the way more than you don't know, so. It's all good and musical. I don't make it. It's a surprise. I got two tickets to get in there. We're not going in the deal. Maybe together we can dance the sound. Any place is better. Starting from zero and nothing to lose. We gonna play much better. That's what fun sound got nothing to lose. Nothing to lose. So 26, 7,015 days. And that's what fun sound.
When I am standing, you put to make me man crazy. Sick man them. We come me want to have this sick man them. Just make me man crazy. Sick man them. I've been out before sick man them. So they want to get me man crazy. Sick man them. Sick man them.
I'm not trying to bad man sound. Tell sound boy. The greatest no champion sound. Natural vibes. We murder your sound down, yeah. No he get no flex sound, boy. When fat boy come around, I tell you this. Take on the number one sound, yes. Natural vibes sound, nowhere. And we never take no need respect from no idiot sound, boy. Natural vibes, murder them sound, yes. They shoot the nose of his champion sound. We come here to murder them sound, yes. And we are killing them in the world. We come to murder them sound. Natural vibe sound. Champion sound. We come here to murder. We are murdering.
And God is the killer. Well done. Sure.
From the see your top and you can know one different from the original man. Everybody must have natural vibe sound and champion. And another little jump on. When we see clear down in our revelation. One man was worthy, then he is still on. Visit up on the throne and burn down Batman. But for this one we see like fucking and fucking a journey back and fresh. Something went wrong. Now for them you know where the man appear from. When the man speaking from the congregation, them see my Africa, America, England, and say this man, you know we are the champion. Watch out for son of every kill jump on. We sing, from you see your top and then you can know one.
Sling. Original question. Sling. Let your mind go away. Let your mind go away. Hey. I am thinking that find the one I've been ringing. I'm using the natural voice cause I'm never a murder. Can I try writing on the area? A murder. You shouldn't try to get this song, yeah. No. We are gonna kill them one by one. I'm not trying to kill them 2 by 2. I'm not trying to kill them 3 by 3. Come get your father's only from one love and spree. We have to sing murder. Can I try writing on the area? A murder. You shouldn't try to get this song, yeah.
All the while jump and come in at the dance. I go like them big and them brown. But sound fraud, I want you to know natural vibes are the kill line at the dance. And him a murder them just because them run up them out. Murder them just because them won't get him out. Him a murder them. So jump on some we never heard of them. Open well, as many sound up.
stress in the air. When the sun comes shine and the rain comes fall, it's dangerous. Hey, and when the moon nights and it shines so bright, we're dangerous. Hey,
Your rank become jolly champion. Natural vibes are gonna kill you. We did one you clown. Your rank become jolly number one. Natural vibes are gonna kill you. Let me tell them, somewhere come look over full of a class. Come look over full of a class. Come look over full of a play from noon till the morning, man, I feel like this. Why some of them come, never dance for the music. Some of them come, never give me one drop. Put on the pants, put on the shirt, and then look up on the hat. Woman and a man, them in the dance. The one of them get up on the rock. Some of them brown and some of them black, but some of them say man, some of them fat. Some of them put them about it, some of them are drill. Run them about them, treat them along, them treat them away, them away.
Well, that's a root boy like a domino. Not a vice no post. Big and up it well. Each up in our close. Root boy like a domino. Not a vice no post. Big and up it well. Each up in our close. This natural vibe we just split it at them nose. Press the trigger, make a sound one dose. Berry jump and then I was super pretty close. Pastor they come down say in a long road. Stand from the Bible and I read it out loud. Father, sister, brother come and I cry out when the backs are go down and the dirt a shock out. Natural vibes control the roads. Kill soul boy, east, west, north and south. Well that's a root boy like a domino. Natural vibes no one.
Natural vibes. See them. Praises be to his name. Again, God Almighty. Natural vibes surround the world. Judgment be friend. Wicked on judgment we come and believe. How much of days have I done? I sing beyond. From the sunrise to sunset.
the boy go like my time. No say them a fool. Kill the boy, make him die. But they know this is how I do. Confession coming, that's how we really do it. Magazine, and then all of a sudden, but the boy wanted natural vibes on the best. But them know say natural vibes on the best. Popular demands and a special request. And I need that boy to come and go with.
West them like was on break, man, about champion, son of a girl, them out fast, them out girl, they marshal the fashion. But I say, y'all know love natural vibes, I say make me so no one. Bang, 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 all who not like him, farm on, make me so no one. When they hear me, because killing pussy and we kill them for fun, me tell them about. Killing that jump and we kill them for fun, what I mean now. Killing pussy and we kill them for fun, me tell them about. Killing that jump and we kill them for fun. We tell them 20 grand and natural vibes, them kill one. We tell them 40 grand and DJ bring them kill one. We tell them 60 grand and Mr. Buffy kill one. And a $250,000 Africa side of the jungle. Mr. Chop the mountain, bad man no respond. Let's move up on the rifle, is a mile distance. Who that said them bad and natural no resistant. We that thing you clap it and get off a piston. When I rise the AK, the SK and the 6-pants. Jump on for them, we shoot them in an instant. Looking at the thing of water resistance. Them living on the sun. Boy, I tell you I'm gonna die. Natural vibes and bus copper online. Jump on for the jump on to the thing you want to die. For natural vibes and football lay down in the head. Don't be, where did I go let you go? If you never did the program, where did I go let you go? Now we broke your foot and pop your one, where did I go let you go? Natural vibes and king champion, where did I go let you go? Do not tell them on the version, tell them on road to travel. And I might take long way to go. But anything try fit this natural vibes up in a sound like somebody gonna play zero. There is a weed smoke in the air, natural vibes playing in here. Give me the light, give me the light. There is a weed smoke in the air, Rico and Fred boys up in here. Give me a light, give me a light, give me a light.
hear when it in a man cheddar. Rico tell me say we turn the sound wire. Ninja say he the strike them off a zebra. Natural man them a big town killer. Come down the man them out in sound like Shabba. Idiot fat boy, natural man them a big town killer. Careful done say we fi walk on the fire. Clear say them a body and man mother. Clear say them a natural like sound mother. Bless you now.
Jaja, can't let me some my money we have. The time we see Sonia get big and big.
Interceptor sound system.
One of them that we do. Interceptor sound. Interceptor sound. Interceptor sound.